We're going to run your test today on a 50 horsepower unit. This is a C50-70. It's a 3-knife rotor, and it's got, again, a 50 horsepower motor on it. Here's your material. What we're going to do is just going to lay them in one at a time, and we have a 6mm screen in here so you can see the actual sample size coming out. To turn this machine on is really simple. You just make sure the reset button is ready, so that tells you all your safeties are in order. This is a lab unit. We don't have a major blower hook up to it, but that's how you turn on the blower, and then turn on the granulator. Is very simple. So now she's ready to go. What we'll do is we'll get the material ready and then start loading it up for you. All right, we're gonna start loading your material. Keep loading it. The machine's having no problem with your material at all. And again, we have a 6mm screen in there, and depending on the use of your material, you may want to put a larger one in. And then if you have a larger one, it flows through a lot better. So what we're going to do is we're going to process this down, and then we will show you the results. We ran 2 of the boxes you sent to us, and based on the UPS label, each box was about 38 pounds, close to 40 pounds each. And we ran the first 2 boxes. We still have 1 box here in case you want us to do other tests, but we ran those things in less than 5 minutes, the 2 boxes. So it's 80 pounds was run. And then this is your material. Again, it's with a small screen, 6mm screen. No heat, no problem. Went through it real easy. What I'll do is I'm going to package this up and send it back to you for your review.